हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप लोग? वी आर बैक अगेन टुडे विथ सम लवली साड़ीज। आई विल शो यू। अभी थोड़ा देर में आपको हम लोग दिखाएंगे, बट बिफोर दैट I want to let you know that Choitro sale is ending on the 14th of April. So please make the most of it. Discount और 2 दिन है, 3 दिन है, आज लेके 2.5 days है. So make the most of it, and please note our number. It is 93304 63762, and the address of the store is 56A Raja Baswantarai Road, Calcutta 29. So make the most of the Choitro sale, which is ending in just 2.5 days. And today we are showing you some lovely crisp cotton sarees, जो आपको बहुत पसंद आएगा, because अभी ये weather के लिए this is perfect. Look at the saree, it is so summery. इसका अलग एक elegant, very classy, very summery saree. It's a beautiful orange, yellow and off-white combination with a bright orange border. That this is the the highlight of the saree. इसके लिए साड़ी और सुंदर लग रहा है. I'll tell you the price. It is 3950, on which we are giving 20% off. Please note that we are giving 20% off on 3950. After discount, it is 3166. 3166. Sorry, 60. 66 nahi, 60. Coming to the next. Today I left my specs at home, so I'm थोड़ा मुझे पढ़ने के लिए हेल्प चाहिए स्पेक्स का. आज मैं भूल के आई घर में, so इधर उधर आज मिस्टेक होगा while telling the price, but आप आपका कैलकुलेटर ज़रूर साथ में रखिए to calculate. This is a lovely, again a beautiful ताज साड़ी. It has a broad border. यहाँ पे आप border देखिए, ये border broad है. So people who like broad border, ये आप लोग के लिए है. This is a beautiful summer wear. And this is the other side of the saree. It's a lovely yellow orange combination. ये सब साड़ी पहनने से बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You look very especially during summers, and it's very comfortable also. It is 3450, on which we are giving 20% off. Choitro sale के लिए we giving 20% off now, and after the discount the price is 2760. 2760. This is another. This is a वो दोनों जो अभी मैंने दिखाया था, those were off white. This is pure white, absolutely white. इसको आप मिल्की वाइट भी बोल सकते हैं. एकदम वाइट साड़ी है. इट्स अ लवली कॉम्बिनेशन. वाइट के साथ दिस कलर विच इज पर्पलिश मरून मिक्स करने से शायद ये कलर आएगा. इट्स अ लवली कलर एंड ब्यूटिफुल साड़ी. प्राइस इज 3650. उसके ऊपर आपको 20% मिलेगा. 3650 के ऊपर 20% विल बिकम 2920. 2920. 2920. These are all crisp cotton saree. आपको इसको सॉफ्ट करना होगा तो प्लीज स्टीम आयरन इट, एंड इफ यू वांट इट क्रिस्प लाइक दिस, वेयर इट एंड वॉश इट एंड पुट इट ऑन स्टार्च. ये क्रिस्प हो जाएगा वापस. This is another lovely saree. This is a, I won't say brown. This is a ghee color. वो जो घी हम लोग खाते हैं वो उसका कलर है ये. It's a lovely saree. ये बॉडी है, सिंपल है, एलिगेंट है. इसको पहनने के लिए आपको सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा. ब्यूटिफुल साड़ी. And the price of this one is 3250. 3250. After discount it is 2600. 2600 डिस्काउंट के बाद. and now the prices are changing. The next collection that is going to come, ये सब prices और नहीं रहेगा. The prices are going to change because the weavers have increased. उनका price increase हो गया. The thread has, you know, the yarn का जो price है, that has increased. So these sarees will not be available in the same price. Quality will be the same, but prices will go up. So make the most of this sale. This is an orange and green combination. Lovely saree again. And the saree price is 2,950. उसके ऊपर आपको 20% मिलेगा. 2,950 will become 2,360. 2360. 2,360. Another lovely color. I think all women love this baby pink color. इतना सुंदर लगता है because इसका एक अलग ही that it's a very sweet color. This is the pallu. It's a lovely saree. It has white and black jamdani work. Very, very elegant with a plain beige color border. And इसका जो price है, price is 3,650, 3,650, and discount के बाद 2,920 हो जाएगा. 2,920 after 20% off. Lovely sarees. This is another beautiful color for people who like a little dark shade. This is the pallu. ये है उसका body. ये side, this side. This is the pallu. And the border is also, it has a beautiful border. I'll show you the body उस तरफ से कैसा लगेगा. This is how it looks. It's a lovely saree. And इसका जो price है, it is 2,950, 2,950. After discount, it is 2,360, 2,360, 2,360 after 20% discount. So make the most of the Choitra sale, which will end on the 14th. 14 last day hai. Please make the most of it. We have also shared our number in different videos. आप उस number पे phone करके you can see other sarees also. This is a beautiful saree. ये बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है. Yellow and blue combination. Lovely saree. Again, it has this border, which is, if you count, ये 10 meters border जाएगा दोनों side मिलके. 5 and 5, 5.5 and 5.5, बीच में थोड़ा gap देके. So that is what makes these sarees special, because ये borders take time to weave. And the price of this one is 7750, 7750. After discount, it is 6,200. 6,200. People who like yellow saree, आपको ऐसा साड़ी पसंद है, तो grab this, because this is a beautiful color saree. It is absolutely light yellow, yellow and cream color mix करने से this is the color that will come out. So these are the sarees that we plan to show today, and Choitra sale is ending day after tomorrow, so make the most of it. 93304 is the number. वहाँ पे आप फ़ोन करके आपको कुछ और देखना है तो आप देख सकते हैं. You can see silk sarees, you can see cotton sarees, you can see Assam weave, Bengal, whatever you want to see. So make the most of it. And for people living in Calcutta, you can visit us at 56A Raja Basanta Rai Road. थैंक यू सो मच, नमस्कार।